It's another 3S the same production.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be taking you guys with me to Ikea. Come with me to Ikea. I know that's everybody's favorite shop. If you love home decor, that will be your favorite shop also. So I'm going there to get something from it for my apartment. So I want to take you guys along with me. I'll see you guys when I get there, and I will be showing you guys around also. See you later. Bye. We are here. Mask on. Don't forget your mask. Always wear your mask. So let's go and see. Hey, come. So first of all, we are going to Media Mart here. So I'm going to check out something before I go to Ikea. They are very close to each other. See you guys when I get inside. So this is what we got from Media Mart. The sound is everything. So guys, we are going to Ikea now, and I just found out that they changed the entrance. You have to take the step down, and we have a boogie with us. It's going to be very difficult. So it took me like 10 minutes to find the place I have to, the entrance. So I found it now and I'm going there. So I was asking people questions. So I'll get back to you guys when I am inside the shop. We are here. My beautiful Ikea. So we are done. Now, you cannot come to Ikea without eating their hot dog. So I'm doing that right now. So I'm just waiting on the line. It's normal for everybody to wait. I'm not sure you guys can hear me very well because of the nose mask. So guys, we are done. We are going home right now. So this is what we bought from want to eat. I bought 2. So this is what I got from Ikea. This beautiful fake plant. But I like it. And this is the vase for it. And this fluffy bear for a mirror. And this plant also, I'm going to put it inside this vase. And this candle holder, this candle, they smell so good. This strawberry candle, they smell so good. And this soap dispenser. This, I got some glass cups. And this sieve. This also. So guys, we are back home now. I just showed you guys everything I bought today. Not much, but it's what I really need. So that's what I got today. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on your post notification, so anytime I have a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And I will be back with more video. Love you all. Kisses. Bye.